Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Cavion Base 5.0 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. Choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. You need to go with Send on Cavion and Receive on an Android. Now tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take some time. I will only go with this one photo, click Send and tap on Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on your Android, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into Folder Files, choosing in my case Images, after selecting Browse in the middle, and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!